Down far. Hello, Chief. I am here for the Python diamond. Look at the name for POP. POP for Python diamond. You have Chukwuemeka Onoha. The date is 1st August 2025, 2nd August 2025, 3rd August 2025, 4th August 2025, and 5th August 2025 for Chukwuemeka Onoha Python diamond. So we start the test. It's industrial tester. You can see the one. That's one. That's number two. That's number three. That's number four. Okay. Number four. That's number five. That's number six. That's number seven. Number eight. Number nine. Number 10. Number 11. Number 12. Number 13. Number 14. Number 15. Number 16. And number 17. So we'll do one man test now for each of them. This is the one man test for number one. You can see that's one. That's two. That's three. That's four. That's five. That's six. That's seven. It's eight. Nine for one man test. 10. 11. It's 12. It's 13. It's 14. It's 15. It's 16. And the last one, 17. So this is one man test. We did the test. So for POP for Python diamond, and the name is Chukwuemeka Onoha, and the date is 1st August, 2nd August, 3rd August, 4th August, and 5th August. Chukwuemeka Onoha for Python diamond. So Chief, this is the POP. Thank you. Expecting to hear from you soon.